Hello friends, today I am sharing with you a proverb, a famous proverb. It is famous all over the world and in India also. So it means that where there is a will, there is a way. Means we all know that proverbs are the sayings of the common man. They come from their life experience. So friends, to expand this, I have written some points. So you people first concentrate on the points, then I will explain you this line by line. See, man is a social being. He has evolved from the primitive age man who used to live in dens to the man of this modern age or a digital age man. So, friends, the reason behind this is that man is having a special brain, so he is superior in his brain is superior comparatively superior than all the living beings on this planet. So that is the main reason for this. See, man is having the high thinking power, so he is full of spirit. He is having an urge to achieve something or to do something. He always wants to do something for himself and for his fellow beings. Because he is a social being, he wants to excel in all the fields. So we can see so beautiful sculptures everywhere, so much say inventions. Man has done so many inventions in medical field, science field, technology field. So nowadays we all know that online man has reached from moon and Mars. So he has the reason behind this is that he is having high thinking power. So everyone thinks, but few people only achieve their goals, because what they do is that they give power to their thoughts. So when we give power to our thoughts, we can achieve whatever we want. So here, uh, so what's important is when we give productive power to the productive thoughts, we can achieve the things. So we get the unbelievable results. So man, willpower means in Hindi we say that Atma Shakti, or he is having an Atma Shakti. He is having that Atma Shakti. So he is having that desire or urge to do excel. So we can improve our the quality of thoughts. That is also possible, friends. That we have to have good culture of meditation, yoga, and philanthropy. So if we do philanthropy is the best thing, because now if we want to help others in any way, then that person will do something for others. So invention of the lights, it may be radio, TV, television, everything, these medical inventions, these COVID vaccines, all these vaccines came from this urge to serve humankind. So friends, man is having the deep driving force within. It comes from within. He is having a burning fire within. So getting a job, passing an exam, building a home, so these looks very tiny in front of these all the higher achievements or unbelievable achievements of the man. So let's friends, the what is the conclusion, or what is the elaboration, is that we have to have good thoughts, and we have to give the power to our thoughts. That also we can do by doing meditation, yoga, and philanthropy. So here I have explained, I have written here. See friends, proverbs are the sayings of the common man. They come from their life experiences. Man is a social being. He works for himself and his fellows. Man has evolved from primitive man who used to live in the dens. So earlier man used to live in the dens, to the man who has reached the depths and heights of the earth. See, fourth point, man is having a sharp brain. It is the main reason for his success. So man has high thinking power and he is full of spirit. We said that adamya chetana. Man is having adamya aganya chetana. So man has done so many inventions, has built sculptures, can live in cold and hot weather. So man is having that adaptable nature also. If to achieve something, he will adapt himself to all types of conditions. If a man gives power to productive thoughts, he gets unbelievable results. If he gives power to his will, that is willpower, then no one can stop him from achieving success. So we can improve the quality of thoughts by cultivating good culture of meditation, yoga and philanthropy. So friends, this is last but not least, when driving force comes from within, then everything is possible. Friends, we see that so many especially able people achieve so many things. People who come from the poverty or below poverty line, they become entrepreneurs. So there are so many examples of this. So this is the meaning of this: where there is a will, there is a way. If we make our will and we give power to our thoughts, we can make the way. Thank you.